She don't even wanna talk to me. She don't even wanna walk with me. She don't even wanna spark with me. Wanna ride with me, step cross with me. She don't even wanna ball with me. She don't even wanna grab a game and see her. That's okay, girls. I don't need no company, 'cause
Welcome, what's up? It's your girl B
and K, and today's video we're doing a sneaker unboxing of the Nike Woman Aluminum Dunk High, and B should be the illustrator, I'll be the narrator, and we're gonna get this box open and we'll be right back. Okay, so we've got the box open. Just a little history behind the sneaker. It's inspired by the legendary Michael Jordan's alma mater, North Carolina University, with the colorway, which we'll get into that. Alright, it's a nice Nike box with the classic swoosh. You can see the tag, and then that's alright. Okay. What's up, you guys? It's your girl K. So pretty much I'll be taking over for the rest of this video. My babe shouldn't know that much about sneakers as much as I do, and I had to get this thumbnail in, so my bad. And don't forget to subscribe. Let's get to 500. Get that gift card. This giveaway is coming. Let's make it happen. Now let's get back to this video. Thank you for watching. So guys, this is the aluminum Nike Dunk High SB size 7. The material is leather. You got that nice plush. Well, it's not as plush as most Nike Dunks are, I think, because they're not SB. You got the sky type of baby blue sole, given that University, North Carolina, before the Chicago days blue. It's nice and lightweight. You could ball, run errands, do what you gotta do. It's just easily paired. You can get your nice white tee, light blue tee, some jeans, shorts, and call it a day. It's a nice summer sneaker. These are B's sneakers. They're a little too light for me. You know, I like dark colors like hot pink and red and black. I wear a lot of black and red sneakers, but this is definitely a dope look for anybody who loves to get light and bright for the summertime, springtime vibes. Do I recommend buying these? Sure, why not? The price wasn't out of control. These just dropped. The toe box is a little higher than your Jordan 1, but that's like an SB Nike Dunk thing for all my Nike SB heads. You got the swoosh, the blue material. I believe this is an all leather sneaker. You got the baby blue sole, Nike logo on the inside. However you lace these up, she laces hers a certain way, so I'm gonna let her figure that out. And I want her to do a try on for me so you guys can see it on feet, and we'll be back with that on feet look in a second, so stay tuned. Are they comfortable?
They very comfortable. These are my first dunks, and I will be buying more.
She broke her dunk virginity, y'all. Yeah, they're a lot different than the Jordan 1.
Well, I really like them, and I will be buying more. Yes, these are my first dunks.
And again, you guys, this was just another sneaker review. Well, not review, but a review on the Nike Dunk Aluminum High. Just released a couple of days ago or a week, I'm not sure. These are these sneakers. She just wanted to share this with you guys. You can get them at Goat Stock X. I believe she got hers from Goat. I guess they're super cute and comfy. I don't know. We'll see what the look she pairs with it. And just drop a like, comment, subscribe. Let's get us to 500 so we can do this giveaway. We're going to do a $100 gift card. plus a gift basket of your choice, male or female. All you have to do is subscribe and be that 500 subscriber and comment I'm first. Or screenshot it so I can match the timelines. And that's it.
Shorty say she got trust issues. Wipe your tears, here goes some tissue. Put